Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Students, today we are going to have our lecture number 12 for ninth class. Students, as we have completed the translation of the lesson Sultan Ahmad Masjid, now we will do its exercise with glossary. Students, first of all we have exercise glossary. Students, when we are given a word that is adjective, we are to tell its synonym in adjective. मीन्स अगर हमें कोई वर्ड दिया जा रहा है जो adjective है तो हमें उसका synonym भी adjective form में ही बताना होगा, otherwise it would be wrong. Now we have impressive and that is adjective. Remarkable, it is also an adjective. Then we have hospice, it is a noun, means right. Its synonym would be an inn, a short living place for travelers. Embellish means sajana, it's a verb. Decorate, it is also a verb. Flamboyant means jagmagata hua, it is also an adjective. Colorful and bright. Interior, inside. Carved means कुछ नक्श किया हुआ, imprinted. Frequented, visited often. Adorned, सजाया गया, decorated. Appointed, मुंतखब शुदा, selected. Then we have some MCQs. Circle the correct antonym from the given choices of the underlined words. Students, here we are to find the antonyms, means उसके उलट अल्फाज हमने देखने हैं. The Sultan Masjid is one of the most impressive monuments in the world. Impressive means मुतासर कुन, मुतासर करने वाली. Now its antonym would be ugly, unimpressive, remarkable. So definitely it would be unimpressive. Sultan Ahmad, situated in Istanbul, the largest city in Turkey. We are to find out the antonym of the largest. It would be smallest. A heavy iron chain hangs in the upper part of the court entrance on the western side. Big, bold, light. So it would be light, means halki. Students, you would do fourth and fifth sentence yourself. Students, now we have position of adverb. Students, as we know, adverb is the word that modifies a verb, adjective and an other adverb. Means it tells us more about verb, adjective and adverb. Now the question is, where are to put the adverb? Students, adverb can be used in three places: in the very first, in the middle and in the end. We can use it at the very first, after the helping verb, means subject, then helping verb, then adverb. And we can also use it at the end. But one thing you are to remember is that it is appropriate mostly in the center, in the middle. So we have an exercise. Let's see where are we to use these adverbs. She comes here. We have an adverb often. So where we will use it? She often comes here, means in the middle. Then we have he goes to Lahore. Students, we have an adverb sometimes, so it will be most suitable in the first. He goes to Lahore. Sometimes he goes to Lahore, यानी बाज़ औक़ात वो लाहौर जाता है. Then we have the teacher was late. Hardly ever, so it would be used in the middle. The teacher was hardly ever late. Then we have we are tired by the end of the day. Students, it can be used as we are usually tired by the end of the day. Usually we are tired by the end of the day. We can use it in both forms. I have posted a letter to them. We will use it after helping verb. I have just posted a letter to them. It would be used in the middle. Then we have he did his work, and the adverb we are to use is carefully. Students, as I have told you that some adverbs are also used at the end and they are appropriate at the end. He did his work carefully. So students, you are to remember in this exercise that adverb can be used at three places: in the first, middle, and in the end. But the most appropriate is in the middle, means most of the adverb are used in the middle. So students, this was our lecture for today. Please attend it carefully, listen to it carefully, and try to do your best. Thank you so much.